stop wasting your money on the wrong budget TV. In the next 10 to 12 minutes, I will show you a real-world performance and reliability comparison between Hisense and TCL televisions. This comparison is based on long-term user experience, real performance tests, and common issues discussed across tech forums, Reddit threads, YouTube reviews, and comment sections. If you are confused between Hisense and TCL, this video will help you decide clearly. Before we start, let me be transparent. This video is created using AI. But the information you are about to hear is 100% practical, effective, and workable in real life. Watch the full video carefully, and you will be able to solve your own buying confusion by yourself. If you face any difficulty or have any question, write it in the comments. I will try my best to reply within 1 hour. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel Tech Vibes. Now let us begin the actual comparison. First, we talk about brand background in simple terms. Hisense is a Chinese electronics manufacturer that focuses heavily on aggressive pricing and feature-packed televisions. TCL is also a Chinese brand, but with stronger global manufacturing presence and long-term partnerships with panel makers. Both brands target budget and mid-range TV buyers. But their approach to performance and reliability is different. Now let us talk about picture quality, which is the main reason people buy a TV. In the budget segment, both Hisense and TCL usually use VA panels or IPS panels depending on model and region. VA panels generally give better contrast. IPS panels give better viewing angles. When comparing budget TVs, TCL usually beats Hisense on color accuracy out of the box. Hisense models often push brightness too high, leading to oversaturation. For brightness stability, TCL is consistent, whereas Hisense models can dim after 30 minutes due to thermal throttling. In HDR, TCL handles tone mapping better, preserving details that Hisense often crushes. For sports, TCL's motion smoothing is cleaner with fewer artifacts. And for gaming, TCL offers more consistent input lag and honest refresh rate specs. Overall, TCL is the safer, more stable choice. Now we talk about smart TV operating systems. This is where daily usage matters a lot. Hisense uses different systems depending on region, such as Vita, Android TV, or Google TV. TCL mostly uses Android TV or Google TV. In long-term usage, Android TV and Google TV are more reliable. App support is better, updates are more frequent. Voice control works more accurately. Vita OS is lightweight and fast initially, but many users report limited app availability. Some popular streaming apps receive delayed updates. Now let us talk about Wi-Fi performance, which many people ignore. Budget TVs often have weak Wi-Fi antennas. TCL TVs generally maintain stronger and more stable Wi-Fi connections. Hisense TVs sometimes struggle on 2.4 GHz networks. 5 GHz works better, but range is shorter. If your router is far from the TV, TCL usually performs better in maintaining signal stability. Now we come to sound quality. Budget TVs are not known for great speakers, but there is still a difference. TCL TVs usually have better sound tuning with clearer dialogues. Hisense speakers sometimes sound louder but less balanced. If you plan to use external speakers or a soundbar, both brands are fine. If you rely on built-in speakers, TCL has a slight advantage. Now let us talk about build quality. This is where reliability starts. TCL TVs generally have better chassis rigidity. The stand feels stronger, ports feel tighter and more durable. Hisense TVs often use thinner plastic materials. This reduces cost, but may affect long-term durability. When comparing TCL and Hisense reliability, user feedback favors TCL. While Hisense offers high brightness, users often report backlight failures, dark spots, and software bugs after a year. TCL software is more stable, and their TVs generally run cooler, extending component lifespan. For after-sales service, TCL is also more consistent with spare parts availability. The verdict? If you want aggressive specs, Hisense is tempting, but for a TV that lasts 5 to 7 years with fewer headaches, TCL is the safer, more reliable choice. If you want better performance, go to Settings, then go to Picture, then turn off unnecessary motion enhancement. If you want better sound clarity, go to Settings, then go to Sound, then reduce bass slightly, and increase dialogue enhancement. If Wi-Fi is unstable, go to Settings, then go to Network, then switch from 2.4 GHz to 5 GHz if available. These small steps make a big difference. So now you know the real difference between Hisense and TCL budget TVs. No marketing hype, no paid promotion, only practical experience. If this video helped you, Please like it, share it with someone who is planning to buy a TV. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more honest tech guides. Comment below if you have any question or confusion. I will try to respond within 1 hour. Thanks for watching.